Here we will write a program to perform arithmetic operations using operator overloading. So first in comment line we will write. So first we will define class arithmetic operator and we will define constructor with def, init, with self and value. Then we will assign this constructor variable to local variable as self.value equal to value. Then we will write operator overloading methods as def. For addition we will use add method with self and other. And here we will return arithmetic operator with self.value plus other.value. Then we will write magic method for subtraction as def sub with self and other, and here it will return class name as arithmetic operator with self.value minus other.value. Then we will write method for multiplication, and here we will return self.value into other.value. Then we will write method for division, which is true div with self and other, and here we will return with self.value divided by other.value. Then we will write method for floor division with self comma other, and it will return self.value floor division other.value. Then we will write method for mod. Then we will write method for power, which will return self.value power other.value. And we will write a string method which will return string of self.value. Then outside the class we will create object for this class. So C1 equal to arithmetic operator, and we will pass the value 6, and then we will create another object C2 equal to arithmetic operator, and we will pass value 3. Then we will perform arithmetic operations on these two objects. So C3 equal to C1 plus C2, and we will print the addition with print plus operator overloading, and we will print C3. Then we will perform C3 equal to C1 minus C2, and we will print minus operator overloading. Then we will perform multiplication. Here we will give multiplication operator overloading. Then we perform true division. Then we will perform floor division. Then modulus and power. And we execute this. It will display plus operator overloading is 9, minus operator overloading is 3. We can print the values of these objects C1 and C2. So here I will print object value, and will print C1 and C2, and we execute it. It will print object value as 6 and 3. Since we have passed 6 and 3 as a value while creating the object, so 6 plus 3 is 9, 6 minus 3 is 3, 6 into 3 18, 6 divided by 3 is 2.0, 6 floor division 3 is 2, modulus is 0, and power is 216. Here we have written the overloaded method, which are also known as magic methods, for all arithmetic operations, and we are performing these arithmetic operations on two objects as C1 and C2.